In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create emails with the ActiveCampaign email designer. First things first, log into your ActiveCampaign account. Once you're logged in, head straight to your dashboard. You'll find the campaigns option located on the left-hand menu. Go ahead and click on that, and next select Create a Campaign. When prompted, choose the standard campaign type, and then click Next to proceed. Now we move on to selecting your email list. You need to choose the list or segment of contacts you wish to target with your email. After making your selection, click Next to continue. It's crucial to ensure you are reaching the right audience with your message, so take a moment to double check if you've picked the correct list. The next step is selecting a template, your starting point for design. The ActiveCampaign email designer offers 3 versatile options. You can choose from pre-built templates for professional and polished designs, save templates if you have favorites from previous campaigns, or start from scratch if you prefer a fully customized layout. A handy tip: start with a template that aligns with your campaign goals, whether it's a newsletter, promo, or an announcement, to make the process smoother. Once you've selected or created a template that suits your needs, it's time to customize it using the email designer's intuitive drag and drop interface, making it easy and fun. You can add various content blocks like text, images, buttons, dividers, videos, even social media links. Just drag the blocks onto your email canvas, arranging them in a way that best conveys your message. When it's time to style your content, just click any element to open the Style panel on the right. Here, you can adjust the font size, color, alignment, background, and spacing. Incorporating brand colors or logos can help ensure your emails maintain a consistent and professional look in alignment with your brand identity. Adding personalization to your emails is a great way to engage your audience. Use the personalize icon, represented by a tag icon inside a text block, to insert fields like the recipient's first name, company name, or custom fields. For example, you might want to start your email with, "Hey, percent first name percent, here's your exclusive offer." This small touch can make a big difference. Before you hit send, always preview and test. Click preview at the top right to switch between desktop and mobile views, ensuring your design looks great on any device. You can also send a test email to yourself to see it in your inbox. Check that your subject line and preview text are spot on, ensure images load correctly, links work properly, and the mobile layout looks clean and professional. Finally, it's time to review and send your email. Click Next to go to the summary page. Here, you should carefully review the from name and email, the subject line, and verify you're using the correct sending list. Decide whether to send your email immediately or schedule it for later. After making these final decisions,